Now we're going to wrap up the class. Um, so we're just going to look at a few things, make sure that you finish the tasks that you need to complete for the course, and then we basically call it a day. I hope you found this course interesting, but more than interesting, useful. So one thing that you will watch is a video. This is a Navy SEAL admiral speaking to a group, and I'm not going to tell you about the video, but you can see that on this that he talks about accomplishing the first task of the day. That's kind of mindset and motivation. Little things matter. Again, that's a motivational confidence building thing. You got to deal with sharks. Okay, so what is holding you back? What is the negative mindset that might be in your head? Um, they talk about grit and that you can accomplish more than you think. Again, mindset. So this video hits indirectly on a lot of stuff that we've talked about in this class. I think you'll find it interesting. So in review, some of the major topics that we talked about mindset and grit, the difference between a growth and a fixed mindset, and what does a growth mindset look like? That intelligence is not fixed. It can increase. You need to embrace challenges. Don't quit when it gets difficult, because it will get difficult. Effort trumps talent, and you learn from your mistakes and from criticism. You don't take them personally. You learn from it. You know, develop that growth mindset. Don't revert to the fixed mindset. So mindset and grit, a big part. And then we got into metacognition. What is metacognition? Why does it matter? Right? And how can you improve it? Okay, so metacognition comes about with stuff like engagement in class. Do I sit up front if you're in class? Do I take notes? What kind of notes? Do I ask questions? Do you read with intention? Do you develop that paraphrasing when you're reading the book? Do you preview the chapter to put everything in context? Do you take good notes? Do you identify what you don't understand to go back and work on? Can you teach it to somebody? Are you doing your homework the right way after you've studied, not before you study, to do, for example, your math homework? And of course, practice exams if you're given them. Um, give yourself an honest evaluation. So big topic there, time management, another big topic. I'm not going to go through all of this, but obviously time management is a choice. How much time are you going to allocate? How are you going to prioritize that? Don't try to multitask. Don't procrastinate. Eliminate distractions, so forth and so on. Big part of this class. Interdependence came in several different modules. You need to effectively use available resources. And you can see that here is just a bunch of people or organizations that are there to help you succeed. So you need to tap into them. And then you're going to complete a final reflection. It's just a few questions that you're going to answer on these various topics, and you're going to submit them to the Dropbox. So you'll be finishing this final reflection. You should be finishing up your career paper. Um, and I look forward to reading this. And I wish you all nothing but success going forward. It's going to be a great experience. Don't get discouraged. Keep your head down and just keep the prize in sight as to where this is going to lead you to. Okay? Thanks.